Hey, what's up everybody? Today, I've got the final installment in our Huawei P9 series. On our search for the best tempered glass screen protector, I stumbled across this one. You may recall my Nano film screen protector review that I did for the iPhone. Well, this one's liquid with the same nano protection. Enan here from Udroid Mania, and you're watching my shark-proof screen protector review. So let's do this. I'll start off by saying that today's review is going to be a little different than the normal, and that's because after we've installed the protector, I'm going to let you guys decide how we test it. Shark says here that it's scratch resistant, it works with any screen, lasts up to 2 years, it's 100% bubble free, repels water, and extra tough. So get those comments ready. Inside the packaging, you're going to get everything that you need for the install, starting with the cleaning cloth and the Nano applicator. You'll also find a screen cleaner and a microfiber cloth. You'll also find inside the packaging some instructions. They're pretty detailed and specific, so you're going to want to make sure that you read them. The first thing that we're going to do here is take our microfiber cloth and use that to remove any loose particles or dirt from your display. This is the first step in the process, and as you may remember, I usually keep my displays pretty clean, so this for me doesn't take that long at all. Next, you'll take the cleaner in packet number 1, and it says here you're supposed to use this wipe until it feels dry. That should take about a minute or so. So to keep the video moving, I'm going to speed things up quite a bit here, and once the display is clean and the wipe is dry, we'll move on to step number 2. I can say here that once you get to about the 1 minute mark, that you definitely feel the difference in the wipe. It starts to smear a bit on the screen, so you know it's done. And with that out of the way, we'll move on to step number 2 and apply the Nano protector. This is a chemical-based protector, so you're going to want to be careful as you do the install here. It should be done in a well-ventilated area, kept away from children and pets, and carefully discarded when done. To apply the Nano screen protector, it also takes a minute. You're going to want to make sure that you fully cover the display here so that you get the best results. As you apply the protector, you want to make sure that you don't get any fingerprints there or any dust particles. So take your time here and make sure that the entire screen's coated. So we'll just do a quick time check here because the next step is to let it rest for 15 minutes. So when that time passes, I'll come back on and we'll move on to the next step. After the Nano applicator dries, you're going to notice a little wax-like coating on top of the display. And if you've ever waxed a car before, then you know that you need to remove it in a circular motion. If you look really close, you can see some faint streaks on the display. And that's what we're going to be removing right now. So you'll use the microfiber cloth provided. And using small circles, I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way up toward the top. Right away, I can see here that the protector gives the screen a nice shine, more so than it's ever had before. I'll also say that to the naked eye, if I didn't know any better, I wouldn't think that there's anything on the screen at all. If this protector holds up to everything that they advertise, then this is going to be the best one out there, especially as it relates to these curved displays. Because as you know, these have been so problematic for us over the last couple of months, and you've been asking me to find something better. And with this protector in this video, I'm hoping I've done just that. Even though today's video is focused on the Huawei P9, I went ahead and added the Nano protector to my Galaxy Note 7, as well as my S7 Edge. The last thing I'll point out is that it says it takes about 48 hours really for the protector to be 100% completely adhered to your display. As of today, which happens to be 2 days later from the time that I filmed this video, I'm at the 48-hour mark. And as I mentioned at the start of the video, I'm going to leave it up to you to decide how we put this protector to the test. So go ahead, leave your thoughts and comments down below, and in the next video I'll incorporate as many of them as I can. I'll say now that at 2 days later, without anything on my phone except for the Nano protector, as well as the case, I haven't gotten a single scratch. If you're already thinking that this might be the protector for you, the link is down below if you're interested, so go and check it out. Okay, so there you have it. I've just installed the shark-proof Nano screen protector on the Huawei P9, the Samsung Galaxy Note 7, as well as the S7 Edge. Each of these displays have been problematic in terms of finding a tempered glass full screen protector, which is why I turned to liquid. As you've already seen in some of my previous reviews, we know that nano technology is actually pretty good, at least when it comes to the film version, and with the liquid I'm hoping that we get a decent amount of protection as well. The main goal of the Nano liquid protector is to replace your tempered glass altogether. Is that possible? Stick around and find out. If you've enjoyed this video, now would be the time to go ahead and click that subscribe button for more content like this. While you're down there, do leave a thumbs up. As always, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one.